Do you like cupcakes with filling in the middle? I know I do. How about a fresh fruit filled cupcake? Let's finish off summer with my easy recipe for peach cupcakes. They are so good with the yummy whipped cream topping and fresh Texas Hill Country peaches. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria, and I'm a graphic designer by day. I share my inspiration with you here on YouTube, so you can make life as creative as it can be. This video is part of the Peach Dessert Challenge, hosted by the Sister Circle. I heard about this from This and That with Denise Jordan. I just love her channel. And there's going to be a playlist with a bunch of other peach dessert ideas. So if you're hungry, I definitely recommend watching that. I also have an open invite for a fall cupcake collab going on September 8th. So if you love cupcakes, check out my invite for that. Okay, let's get right into this peaches and cream cupcake recipe. This will make 12 peach cupcakes with a delicious whipped topping. I'm also going to link a blog post that I made for this recipe, so you can go there and easily print it out, and I'll put it in that description box below. For the cupcakes, you will need half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup butter softened to room temperature, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, a quarter cup half and half, 3/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 to 2 peaches peeled, pitted, and chopped, a few drops of red food coloring, and a 1/3 cup peach preserves. The first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line a muffin tin with cupcake wrappers. Next, you will cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy for about 2 minutes. Add the egg and beat until well combined. Add vanilla and then beat to combine. With the mixer on low speed, slowly pour in the half and half and then beat that to combine it all. I wanted my cupcakes to be peach, so I used a few drops of red food coloring, and they came out a little bit more pink than I wanted, so I would recommend adding just 1 tiny drop and then mixing, and then add another drop and go from there if you want more of a peach color. You just need very little red food coloring to make the peach. In a separate bowl, stir together the flour and the baking powder. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix. May through August is peach season in Texas, and here in Texas, everyone knows about Fredericksburg peaches. There are around 40 varieties of peaches produced in the Fredericksburg area, thanks to some German settlers back in 1846 who thought some peach trees in the Texas Hill Country might be a good idea. And boy, were they right. The Texas Hill Country soil makes for peaches with a sweet and intense flavor. They're so good. So that's the type of peach we're working with here, but you could use whatever kind of peaches that you have available to you. By the way, if you're liking this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification button so that you can be sure that you don't miss out on any new Artsy Cupcake videos. Then add in the chopped peaches and fold those into the batter by hand. Now for that yummy jelly-filled center. Fill the muffin liners with about a tablespoon of batter, and then add a little bit of the peach preserves on top. Then top with another tablespoon or so of batter to cover up those preserves. Bake for 15 to 17 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. It really depends on your oven. I think I had to leave mine in just until around 20 minutes. Okay, let's move on to the whipped cream frosting. Now before you get started, you might want to place your large mixing bowl into the freezer, and that'll just let it get cool, and then it'll keep that whipped frosting colder for longer. So for the whipped cream frosting, you'll need 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, some cinnamon sugar for the top. Add the whipping cream, cinnamon, and vanilla to the chilled bowl. Beat the mixture on medium speed while gradually adding the powdered sugar. Increase the speed to medium-high and beat that until the whipped cream can hold its shape but it's not lumpy, and that'll be around 3 minutes. You can adjust the amount of powdered sugar here to make it a little thicker, then refrigerate it until it's ready to use. When the cupcakes are completely cool, scoop the whipped cream frosting into a piping or Ziploc bag and then just pipe it right onto the cupcakes. Top that with a fresh peach slice, and then you'll want to keep these stored in the refrigerator. I finished mine off with some cinnamon sugar on there too, and they were so delicious. You bite into them and you get a little piece of peach, and then you get that juicy peach preserves in there, and it's just so good with that whipped cream topping on top. It's just a really light and delicious and sweet cupcake. So I want to know in the comment section below, what is your favorite peach recipe? I want to hear about it because I might even try making it for myself, and I'm sure that there's so many good ones out there that I haven't even heard of. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.